How to add a YouTube video to Google Slides step by step. If you want to add a YouTube video to Google Slides, it's actually quite simple to do so. Let's say you're working on slides or your presentation on slides.google.com and you decide that you want to add a certain video or embed a video into it. First, you go to the sheet where you want to add a video. Once you're there, hit the insert button from the top left, and from there simply search for video. Here you can see it will ask me to insert video, so I can search or paste a URL. So based on what you want to do, you can simply copy the link address or whatever else of a certain video and then just paste them over here, or you can also search manually and then just select that video that you want to insert, click the insert button, and then you can see that video will be inserted right here. And if you want to play it, you can go ahead and do that, or you can go ahead and pause it as well. So you'll be able to add YouTube video to Google Slides. I hope this video was really helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.